Today, I am going to present solving exponential equations and inequalities. To do that, we need to talk first the property in solving exponential equations and inequalities. The property of exponential equation state that if b to the power of x is equal to b to the power of y, then the exponent x is equal to y. And the property of exponential inequality, if b is greater than 1, this means that b to the power of x is less than b to the power of y if and only if the exponent x is less than y. Therefore, if b is greater than 1, the direction of inequality is retained with respect to the exponent. And the second property is if 0 is less than b and b is less than 1, this means that b to the power of x is less than b to the power of y if and only if the exponent x is greater than y. So, if b is less than 1, the direction of the inequality is reversed with respect to the exponent. Therefore, if the bases are the same, then the exponents are equal or unequal. So let's have an example so that we can understand on how to solve exponential equation. Example number 1. Solve the equation 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 64. The first thing that we are going to do, we have to express 64 as 4 to the power of 3 in order for both sides of the equation to have the same basis. Then we have 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to, instead of writing 64, we have to write 4 to the power of 3. So, bases are the same, so the exponent must be equal. Then we have x plus 1 is equal to 3. Then, we have to solve for x. In solving x, we have to use the transposition method or the addition property of equality. Then we have x is equal to 3 minus 1. Then simplify. 3 minus 1, then the answer is x is equal to 2. And that is our solution for the exponential equation 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 64. So, the answer is x is equal to 2. To show that our answer is correct, we have to check. Then our x is equal to 2. Then the equation is 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 64. So, we have to substitute the value of x, which is 2, to the equation. So, we have 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to 64. Then, 2 plus 1, the answer is 4 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 64. Then, simplify 4 to the power of 3. Then, 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4. That is 64 is equal to 64, and that is check. So, the solution is x is equal to 2. So, let's have another example. Example number 2. Solve the equation 125 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 25 raised to the power of x plus 3. So, we have to express 125 as 5 to the power of 3 because 5 times 5 times 5, that is 125. And 25 as 5 to the power of 2 because 5 times 5, that is 25. So, we have to express these two in order for both sides of the equation to have the same basis. Then we have 5 to the power of 3 quantity raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 quantity raised to the power of x plus 3. And to raise a power to a power, we have to multiply the exponent. Then, we have 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 3 because we multiply 3 times x minus 1 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 6 because we multiply 2 times x plus 3. That's it. Then, bases are the same, so the exponent must be equal. Then we have 3x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6. Then, we have to use addition property of equality or the transposition method. Then, we have 3x minus 2x is equal to 6 plus 3. And after that, we have to simplify or combine like terms. 3x minus 2x, the answer is x. And 6 plus 3, the answer is 9. So the solution for the exponential equation 125 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 25 raised to the power of x plus 3. The solution is x is equal to 9. So let's have another example, and that is for the exponential inequality. Example number 3. Solve the inequality 3 raised to the power of x is less than 9 raised to the power of x minus 2. So we have to express 9 as 3 to the power of 2 in order for both sides of the equation to have the same basis. Then we have 3 raised to the power of x is less than 3 raised to the power of 2, parentheses, raised to the power of x minus 2. To raise a power to a power, we have to multiply the exponent. Then we have copy 3 raised to the power of x is less than 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 4 because we multiply 2 times x minus 2. Then we have 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 4. So bases are the same, then the exponent must be equal or unequal. Then we have x is less than 2x minus 4. So the base is greater than 1, so the direction of inequality is written. Then we have to solve for x. Then we have 4 less than 2x minus x. Because we transpose positive x, then it will become negative x. Then simplify. 2x minus x, then the answer is 4 is less than x, or x is greater than 4. So this is the solution for the inequality 3 to the power of x less than 9 to the power of x minus 2. Let's have another example. Example number 4. Solve the inequality 1 over 10 raised to the power of x plus 5 is greater than 1 over 100 raised to the power of 3x. So we have to express 1 over 100 as 1 over 10 raised to the power of 2 in order for both sides of the equation to have the same basis. Then we have 1 over 10 raised to the power of x plus 5 is greater than, instead of writing this one, we will write 1 over 10 raised to the power of 2, parentheses, raised to the power of 3x. To raise a power to a power, multiply exponent. Then we have 1 over 10 raised to the power of x plus 5 is greater than, we have to multiply this one, 2 to 3x, then it will become 1 over 10 raised to the power of 6x. So the base is less than 1. So the direction of inequality is reversed with respect to the exponent. So the exponent is x plus 5, then the direction of inequality is reversed, then it will become x plus 5 is less than 6x. Then we have to solve for x. Use again transposition method or addition property of equality. Then we have 5 is less than 6x minus x. Then simplify. 5 is less than 6x minus x, that is 5x. Then we have to divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1 is less than x. So the solution for the inequality is 1 is less than x, or x is greater than 1. Okay, that's it. So I hope that this video will help you in solving exponential equation and inequalities. Thank you.